Guys, I just wanted to start off this video by saying thank you, and I'm so grateful and so appreciative of all of you guys giving me so much love and support and just always just giving me good vibes, good energy. You guys make it so much easier for me to create content, to want to post content consistently. It really does mean a lot because, like I've said to you guys before, this is something that I truly love to do. It's what I'm passionate about. Not only just showing you guys my hair journey, but educating and trying to just spread as much knowledge as possible on natural hair, on locks, just pretty much anything. What is that? I mean, is that a piece of hair? I always got something on me. But yeah, I just want to say thank you. I was going to say this at the end of my video, but I know not all of you guys watched till the end. And I just want to start off the video on a really good note. So enjoy the video and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Desmond. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. Now, I know some of you guys are going to read the title of this video and be like, what happened? Like, what's going on? So I am here to explain what I did and what's going on with my hair, and if I started my journey over and my new loc count, all that good stuff. So most of you, or if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I showed you guys, or I showed my followers, the difference in sizes of some of my locks in the back and some of them in the front. Now, the ones that I did in the back were more rectangular, and then the ones I did in the front were more square. The ones that were rectangular, these ones were huge, guys, like huge. They were probably like this big. I'm gonna put the video that I posted on my Instagram somewhere on one of these sides, I don't know yet, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, the difference in size and shape, and that was just throwing me off. Most of you guys know I'm already in my hair a lot, even though I really try not to be, and I tell you guys to try to avoid doing that, but it's very hard, and I just was feeling how big the parts in the back were, and it was bothering me so much compared to the ones in the front. I just felt like the ones in the back were going to be so huge once they started to mature compared to the ones in the front that were more square and the ones in the back that are more rectangle. But it just was bothering me. And yes, I love the progress of my hair. I loved how my hair was doing. I still think that my hair looks good. I don't think that my hair looked bad at all. It's just that the parts were bothering me so much. So I had to do something. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go do that, because a lot of the times I'm asking you guys things regarding my hair or just your opinions on certain things, because I want to know what you guys think and your thoughts. So, and I don't always go on YouTube to post like statuses or whatever. I know you can do that now, but I don't really do that. My go-to is Instagram, so go follow me if you aren't following me yet. I really appreciate it, and you can also connect with me a lot easier through Instagram as well. So what I did was I was showing my followers on Instagram exactly what I was talking about. Like I just said, you know, I posted a video showing the difference that you guys have just seen, and I was asking you guys, you know, not really asking, but more so just telling you guys my thoughts and what I wanted to do and how I was thinking about starting them over. And a lot of people were for it. A lot of people supported it. You know, they were just saying it's my hair, just to do what I want with my hair, whatever makes me happy, which I'm grateful for, because I hate being told to just not do something. Like especially if like I really want to do it, like why are you telling me not to? Like I want to do it for a reason, you know? That's ultimately why I just started it over, because I want to be satisfied with my hair, and having locks is a huge commitment, and it's a long-term commitment. I don't want my hair to be mature a few years from now or more than that from now and look at my parts and be like, oh, I really wish that I would have did this differently, or I would have split these. And that's what a lot of you guys were saying too, is that the back ones I should just split in half. Now I was thinking that exact same thing, but if I were to have done that, then they would have been like longer looking squares. They just would have looked weird. They would have looked weird. They would have looked way too small for me. I'm going to show you guys not only a video that I took yesterday of my hair, but I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like right now. I did my hair 2 days ago, so it's only a 2-day difference. I didn't even know my cat was in here. Hi, cat. You want to say hi to the people? Come up. Come up. Hey, this is JC, guys. Even though you guys have probably seen her before, but here she is. Maybe she'll actually like sit with me and while I talk, I don't know. We'll see. I just want to update you guys, let you guys know what's going on and be as honest and transparent with you guys, because I'm deciding to share my journey with you guys. So I want you to know everything that's going on, what's going on, when it's going on. So that's pretty much why I wanted to make this video, just to give you guys an update, because I literally just posted that lock count video and now I have a complete different lock count, and they look, I don't want to say completely different, but they look different this time. I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like. I wanted the parts to look more square, so that's what I did. I just made them more square. Obviously my hair is gonna be a little stretched out because I've had it in a ponytail for most of the day. So let me get closer. So as you guys can see, they are a lot more square now than having just a bunch of rectangles and a bunch of squares. So I'm much happier with the parting. I don't want to get too hyped over my hair and be like, yes, this is it, like,
yes, bitch.
I don't want to do all that, because every time I do that, I end up wanting to change it, or I end up wanting to start over. So I'm just trying to keep it really low-key this time and not get too hyped, because who knows with how I am. We'll see how long this lasts, but I think it will last. I'm not really that worried about it. My new Lockiversary day, if you want to call it that, is April 10th. So I'm probably just gonna stick to my 4-week schedule that I do with my hair as far as retwisting goes. I'm definitely gonna keep washing my hair every 2 weeks, just because I feel like that helps my hair lock so much faster. And also too, I want to share with you guys my process of combing it out and restarting them. So really quick, all I did was, I didn't even comb my hair out. I would wet my hair, I'd wet the twist, and then I would finger detangle it. And my hair was actually starting to lock at my roots. Like, that took me, all right. It took me a minute to actually untangle the roots with my fingers. Like, that was a good sign to me, you know. I was like, oh, okay, like my hair is actually making really good progress for it to only have been a month and some change. But after I did that, I finger detangled. All I did was I had to take out a whole row first, and then I would part it and then do the squares, and then I wouldn't add any product to my hair. I didn't comb it like I said. I would literally just wet it with some water, and I think I put a little bit of vitamin E oil in the water too. Just wet it and then retwist it, and that was it. I purposely didn't want to detangle my hair because I feel like detangling my hair was really starting at square one. I feel like I started at square two by not detangling it. That was just my logic, that I felt like if I didn't detangle my hair, that it just was gonna lock faster, or the process was gonna just kind of somewhat continue from before. I don't know. But I'm noticing that my hair is still really frizzy, which is a good sign, and I'm starting to like get those knots at the ends. So maybe that's just from finger detangling it. I don't know. I don't care. But that just was my method, and that's what I did. So yeah. Now, as far as the lock count, I did count. I have 55 now, so just 10 more than before. Not much of a difference, but I noticed that my hair does look a lot more full now, and surprisingly, the twists themselves look thicker than before. I don't know why, but they look pretty juicy compared to before. But I'm not complaining, because I still think that I'm going to be able to maintain or get those thick looking locks that I want. as well as having the fullness and the size that I want. So third time is a charm. I really want to keep my hands out my hair this time. I'm not upset about starting over. I'm not disappointed, but I just wish that I took the time the second time to really part my hair how I wanted it to be, instead of just getting frustrated and just doing whatever, because that's essentially what happened. Because I'm sure you guys know doing your own hair can be so frustrating and so annoying and so time consuming. And if you're like me, my back hurts within the first 10 minutes, my arms hurt within the first 10 minutes.
This is not a test, it's the real deal. Help me, nigga.
So you guys can tell I was over it. But it did take me around like 9 hours to do this set, so I was done. That's why I did not record it. So if you guys were looking forward to a video, I know some of you guys on Instagram really wanted a video of me doing that, but it just was not happening, y'all. Like, for my own sanity, it was not gonna happen. I'm gonna just leave that at that. I want you guys to understand that it is okay to start over. I said that in my 10 things to think about or consider before starting your locks. I said that in that video. Do not be scared to start over. It is perfectly okay. I know some of you guys may really want to or are nervous about it, or you really just want to write it out. But if you feel like your hair is just not coming along how you want it to be, and you really have this vision and this picture, this image in your mind of how you want it to look, get it done, you know? Make it look how you want it to, because like I said earlier, it is a long-term commitment. And at the end of the day, you want to be happy with your hair, you want to be happy with your appearance, so make it happen. I'm just gonna wrap it up because I don't have anything else left to say. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you guys know what to do. Just comment below. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.